You might like this one.
So you want me to try on some shoes virtually right now. This is augmented reality. I see a QR code there. This is on Amazon. So Amazon's gonna help you now see what the shoes look like on your feet. That is a smart idea. Virtual shoe try on. Look at this. You click an extra button in the app. Oh, damn. Is it that quick with it too? Oh my God, my kids are gonna lose their minds. Is this quick with it, Will?
Apparently, yes.
Oh man, did they have a New Balance deal? Oh no, they show off all these different brands.
But you might like this because you like to buy shoes.
Yeah, no.
Try them on. And...
This is amazing. For me, it's the speed of it. I wonder how many models will be supported out the gate. I got to try this out. I'll be trying this out actually. I'll get back to you guys.
Okay.
Shout out Kyle who says I rarely get to tune in from New Zealand. Buy those nuggets on me when you guys finally get to it. Should be enough to cover the 20.
All right.
Oh, thank you. We appreciate it. We will get to it. Don't worry. We're going to press Mo on a Monday. Wait till you see Mo on Monday. Wait till you see how Willie Do presses Mo on a Monday because Will's irate. I mean, before we got on the air, I had to try to put it back together. He was ready to punch a hole in the wall.
Discord was popping off with nuggets.
That's what I'm saying.
The meme I sent you last night?
I see all these memes, man. I understand people need what they need. And you make promises, you keep them. So you guys got to tune in on Monday to see what goes. That's going to be quite the confrontation between Will and Mo.
Yeah.
As they get to the bottom and hash it out.
Confrontation? Well, no.
Oh, no? Oh, okay.
Confront him about it.
Oh, okay.
I'll nudge him.
Yeah, what will it be? A nudge?
Sure, yeah.
You will nudge.
On Slack.
You'll nudge. Okay.
Yeah.
I like the idea. Yeah, look at this. We're trying on the shoes. And we're taking a photo. Amazon's little smiley face goes down there. Everybody just changing shoes all the time.
And then you're able to just purchase it.
Yeah.
You like it? Buy it.
You like, Amazon. You buy. You see, you buy. Yeah. Well, that's what Amazon wants. It's genius, Will. Everybody's got to do it. And you know who's not going to be a part of it is one who's not all that happy with Amazon, which is Nike. Nike bounced out there. You know what Nike was pissed about? They said, hey, there's too many counterfeit products on here. Amazon was like, we can't do anything about it. We're Amazon. There's so much stuff on here. They were like, It was their version of spam. And like we were talking about earlier, it's just too much. And so Nike bounced. They said, we'll do it on our website. And they did well on their website. And all through COVID, they were crushing, doing numbers. But now when you get something, and I'm sure Nike could implement something similar, but part of the fun of it is that it's the retailer. So you can try on shoes across brands. But you'll notice Nike missing from this promo. And what you end up seeing is a lot of New Balance, a lot of Adidas. Yes. And Asics is in there and a lot of other brands that are not Nike. So just keep that in mind.
Yeah.
But for sure I'm showing the kids. For sure we're going to give this a crack.
Yeah. It's fun.